of all, before I start the session, I would like to give you brief overview, not too much info about me, just a brief overview who I am and what exactly I do. See, my name is Mohammad Azruddin. I have completed BTech Computer Science Engineering, okay, and basically digital marketing is more about my personal interest, okay. From when I was doing my BTech Engineering, from that time onwards, I am into the field of web designing, web development and digital marketing. So it's overall have been 8+ years of professional experience. See, personal experience, freelance experience, I have more, like I am in this field from 2004 onwards, okay, in the field of websites, web development and digital marketing, but professional way, like a professional in terms of a company, in terms of a trainer. I've been training students from past 8 years in the field of digital marketing, and also I'm an Google AdWords certified professional, which is basically one certification. Even I will be encouraging you to do that certification, which explains to the world that you are really a technical person and has a knowledge of digital marketing, a very in-depth knowledge of the digital marketing. Apart from that, I also work as a guest faculty. There is one college in Hyderabad, a B school, actually a B school, an MBA B school in Hyderabad, where I work as a guest faculty as well. So in brief, in a nutshell, I am a trainer of digital marketing, not just for a choice, okay. It's my own personal passion. That is, teaching is what I like, as well as I do projects. That is a different thing, but teaching is what I personally like much. So that's the reason I am a trainer by choice, and it's my passion to teach students about any topic. It may be a digital marketing, it can be a web designing, but whatever I know, I basically share knowledge with the student. That is also my basically my profession as well. That is, I'm a professional trainer also, but that is the secondary thing. But I have been a trainer because it is my passion. So you will see that type of effort I will put in the training as well. Like if you get a question or if you get a doubt or anything, I will not hesitate to answer you. I will not hesitate to give you a clear explanation about it, because training has been my passion for many years. So that is about myself, a brief overview about who I am. And by the way, if you go to webtrainings.in, you will also see what was the reason why I started this institute. Like, basic purpose of this institute was to give the students the real-time knowledge, okay, which was lacking when I wanted to learn something. There was no real-time knowledge at that time. So that encouraged me to start a technical institute where I can really provide the practical information to the user. This is what brief overview about myself and my profile. So now let's go into the concept. Let's go into the topic of what exactly we are going to study in this particular concept. So here our today's agenda will be, we want to know what is digital marketing. We want to know why should we use digital marketing. We will study today about what are the different ways we can market our services, and then we study about what are the opportunities we have in digital marketing, as well as what is the eligibility criteria, meaning who can do this course, what should be the minimum qualification or minimum technical skills you should have. Based on that, we can able to do this particular curriculum. That is today's agenda. So we will move ahead and first start our topic, the first slide of the discussion, about what is digital marketing. Now you see, in a basic way, if I want to tell you in one line, see, there is a definition written on the slide, you can read it. So it's not my habit to read the whole definition and make you bored, okay. Already is on the screen, you can read it. But in terms of what is digital marketing is, in our normal terms, in our general terms, okay, what is the digital marketing is in simple terms, any marketing, okay, if you want to promote your product or service using internet, that's it, it is digital marketing. In other words, we can say like this: if you are doing promotion of your business, okay, either on mobile, either on search engine, either on website, either on any device which is on internet, that concept is called as digital marketing. So you may say, sir, what you will teach in digital marketing? So I will teach you, I will give you the expertise level of each of this process, each of these methods by which you can able to do the digital marketing strategy. Now coming to the point of what are the places, what are the areas we target in digital marketing. Let me give you a basic idea here. You see, if you are going with traditional marketing, let us go, you are going with what? Traditional marketing. So if you ask me a question, sir, in traditional marketing we also have different divisions. Maybe in traditional marketing you will use paper advertisement, that is one division. You will use outdoor marketing, that is one division. You use pamphlets, that is one division. In the same way, in digital marketing also, the divisions are divided into different segments. Now what are the segments is, I'm just using the mouse here to explain you. So the first segment of digital marketing is search engines, which means we target those audience, or we target those users who are actually using search engines to visit our website, to the who are using search engine to find the information. So that is one area of concentration in digital marketing, that is search engine area. Number two area of concentration is website, which means we actually give our message to the users who are visiting third-party websites. So even website marketing is also a part of digital marketing. Then we'll discuss further about these topics as we move on in the slides. Okay. Then social media, like the people who are actually on social media, like Facebook, like YouTube, or anywhere, we are going to target them from the social media. And digital marketing also target people on mobile applications. Assume that you are playing a game. Assume that you are having a mobile app and you're just using the app. Suddenly you will get some ads popping up. You will get some information popping up. That will be your mobile app segment. And then email segment. Like, see, in fact, most of you got registered from my email apps, right? When I send you an email, most of you have replied to the email and you got registered. That is called as email marketing. So you got a simple email with classroom and online. So you clicked on online and you got registered. That is the email marketing strategy. And then we will discuss in one area called as analytical or measuring the data in the Google Analytics option. So this is a basic idea about the digital marketing. So hope you understood what is the definition of digital marketing and what we do in the digital marketing. I'm getting up some questions, so I'll just take down the questions here. One second. Right. So is it now clear, Aditi? You got a problem that the voice is not clear. Is it clear now? Yes, Aditi, is the voice clear now? Everyone is in the class, is the voice clear? One second, I'll just okay. Aditi, I suggest you please check on your mic or the headphone, because other students are giving a message. Yeah, sometimes it happens, Aditi, because if you are connected with the network which is a bit slower, in that case network issue will happen sometimes. So I suggest you please check out the headphone, or please check out the sort out the issue at your end. Okay, right. Fine. So now this is the topic of digital marketing. What is digital marketing? So now I'm open. I can take your questions. Please ask any doubt you have in this particular first topic of your digital marketing. So everyone are clear about the basic definition? Okay. See, if you don't ask any question, I will assume that everyone are clear. If you have any question, you have to just point the question so I know that yes, someone has a doubt and they can clarify. Okay, if you don't ask any question, it means everyone are clear with the topic. So I will go ahead with the next concept of discussion. Okay, fine. So I'm not getting any question, assuming that everyone understood the first slide very clearly. Now let us go ahead to the next concept of discussion, the next slide of our discussion. Now see, first we understood about what is digital marketing. Now let us go ahead let us do a comparison. You see, okay, there are many companies out there. They will say, traditional marketing is very, very important. Still we will do traditional marketing. Okay, but digital marketing people will say, no, traditional marketing is not that valuable. We will do digital marketing. So now there is a fight between traditional guys and digital guys, right? So now we want to just, this table I have collected. The reason for collection of this table is to give you the reality. Okay, what is the reality of traditional and digital marketing? Now first of all, I want you to give you awareness about one topic. Just keep this topic in mind. Whenever any advertiser wants to study, do advertisement, you want to do, reach people in the in the world and want to sell the product or service. You see there on the left hand side of the table, I have at least 5 metrics I have mentioned there, like reach metric, target audience metric, engagement metric, price metric, and ROI metric. Any advertiser who wants to run the ads, first he will see this metric. Now we will go through each of this metric and they will do the comparison to know which type of ad is more better which type of marketing is more better. So the first metric we are considering in the comparison is a reach metric. Now what is a reach metric? Is the number of people who see your advertisement, or the number of people who can watch your advertisement or view your advertisement is called as the reach of the advertisement. Now example, I have taken here a paper advertisement, and I'm taking DC, that is Deccan Chronicle, one of the Hyderabad local newspaper. Okay, it's also available in other states as well, but basically it's a Deccan Chronicle is basically Hyderabad based. So now here we see the number of the reach of the Deccan Chronicle advertisement is 13,33,668. I collected this data from Wikipedia page, where it was mentioned from Deccan Chronicle, about Deccan Chronicle, what is the general reach of Deccan Chronicle. Now I want to ask you a question. The reach of the advertisement of Deccan Chronicle is what? 13 lakh, which means if you put an ad on Deccan Chronicle, it will be read minimum by 13 lakh people, because lot of people will read, if you have a newspaper in the hotel, hundreds of people will read that newspaper. That is different, but the point is minimum the reach of the the paper ad will be at least 13 lakh. Now come to our digital marketing. If you ask a question like, sir, what is the reach of digital marketing? Means the reach of digital marketing can be millions or billions. You may say, sir, how? Okay, you do one thing, you put up an ad on say for example YouTube. You put up an ad on YouTube. Okay, YouTube has in a month, YouTube get 100 crore visitors. In a month, YouTube get how many visitors? 100 crore visitors. If you take per day, that means per day YouTube get at least 3.3 crore visitors YouTube gets every day. So now my question is, if you put ad on YouTube, okay, so you can get how many visitors in a single day? 3.3 crore. So technically speaking, is the reach of digital media ads is very, very high? You will say, yes sir, it's very high. And also you can take one more example. You see, the reach of Deccan Chronicle paper is only in Hyderabad or nearby states. But if you talk about digital marketing, the ad can be seen, the ad can be viewed by anyone in the world. You see, in fact, the reality is many of you, okay, you are not from Hyderabad, but still you are listening me. That is what the power of digital marketing, because you don't know me personally, you don't know our institute, you have not seen our institute. Many people who are listening this batch, some of you have seen me personally, you have came to our institute, but most of you doesn't have even know our physical address, physical location of our institute, but still I'm able to reach you. This is what the power of digital marketing, which means even if the person do not come to your place, but still you can able to give your message to that user. That is where the reach of the advertising will be very, very high in digital marketing. So in the first metric, who is the winner in terms of paper advertising and digital marketing? I can say digital marketing is the winner of this particular statement. Next we have target audience. Let me explain you about this concept so you understand it very easily. If you take one example, you open a cartoon channel, or okay, let's take a newspaper as an example. When you open Deccan Chronicle or any other paper, maybe Times of India or any paper, when you open any paper, you see there will be lot of ads like BMW ad will be there, car ads will be there, Flipkart ad will be there, Snapdeal, lot of ads will come on the paper ad, right? On paper media. Now the question is that ad targeted according to the audience? According to the audience, is it perfectly targeted? So you will say, I think no. Why? Because if there is a BMW ad on Deccan Chronicle, okay, everyone who is reading the ad, is he the target audience? You will say no, it's not a target audience, which means out of 13,33,000 people who are seeing your ad, out of that I can tell you only few lakh people are there who may be interested in buying a BMW car, because it's based because of its value, because of its cost. So the idea of traditional marketing would be just spread your message to as many people as possible, whereas out of that message you will get only few people who are really targeted for your particular product. Whereas in digital marketing it is not like that. In digital marketing you will target only those people who are really interested in your subject. In fact, you say, sir, how you can say that? Example, let us take for example, you see, I'll type a keyword in Google search, okay? So what is the keyword I'm typing is laptops, okay? Right. You see, I have got some ads on the top, I got some ads on the right side, okay? If any person click on any of these ads or any of this website, okay? So tell me, the website is receiving the best, the targeted audience or not target audience? Meaning, Is the website going to get those people who are interested to buy a laptop or not interested to buy a laptop? You will say, sir, whoever typed laptop, he's really interested to buy a laptop. That's the reason he's typing it. So that means to say high targeting or low targeting. Obviously, very high targeting. So that is where again digital marketing win-win. That is, if you talk about the target audience in paper media and all that, you will get very less targeted audience. But in digital marketing, we get very effective and very clearly targeted audience we can reach. Number 3, engagement. Now you read one paper ad. Now how you engage with that is you will just read the ad and you'll turn the paper. Meaning you will not go and open a website. You will not click on it. You will not do anything with it, right? But imagine if you are watching an ad on YouTube, or if you are watching an ad on a website, or if you are opening a Google search and you are typing there. So is that engagement very high? See, in fact, I'll show you what is the engagement here. You know, when you see this, you will immediately click on it. You may say, sir, why you click on it? So why I will click on that option is because this is the concept which I wanted. This is the product I wanted. So immediately I will click on it. So are we getting our users immediately or not? Are we getting our target audience very effectively or not? So you can say yes, the target engagement is also very, very high. See, other ways I can say engagement means like this. You see where you are watching television, okay? You got an ad. You'll just watch the ad, you will skip. That's it. You know, you will not go and type website. You will not call them. That's not engagement. Whereas if you see some same advertisement on YouTube or in other place, you will immediately click on it and you want to know what more about that. Meaning in digital media, engagement is very, very high, whereas in traditional media, the engagement is very, very low. Then coming to the concept number 3, which is price. You see the price of traditional marketing. Okay, in fact, I'll tell you one number here. What is the number is, if you want to put ad on Deccan Chronicle for the first page, full page ad, you have to spend 27 lakh rupees for one day for one full page ad. If you want to put ad on what is this, Times of India, okay, Times of India full page, front page, it will cost you 80 lakh rupees for one day. So now the question is, for one single day you have to pay 27 lakh. Even if you say, sir, no, I will just put a small ad, sir, even if you put a small ad, it will be in 1.25 to 2 lakh rupees. Okay, I got a question, just a second. Hello? Yeah. Yasin, now you are able to hear me? Hello? See, from my side, there will be no problem at all. Why? Because I will be having a complete setup, mic and everything. I will be pre-checking before I start the session. So any issues are coming, maybe it's a network issue or maybe it's a issue at your side. So if anyone is getting a problem of not able to listen the voice or something, the suggestion would be they can just log out and they can again log in. Yeah, actually few students are getting this issue. I think one student got give me a message. Yeah, it happens actually. So individually there is a problem. Okay, overall there will not be a problem. If anyone get a problem like a disturbance in voice or suddenly you are not getting any voice at all, so my suggestion would be to log out and re-log in again from the registration link into your registration link. That way you can easily follow the topic. Is it okay? Right. So this is the basic way we can work out. So now I was in the topic I was discussing about, and also one more thing, no need to worry about the topic. If you log in and log out you miss, no problem. We will also have a recorded session. Whatever we are now discussing, it is also recorded. So after the session even we will be sharing this info with you, so you can again re-listen the whole class, because there is no problem at my end. So whatever I am speaking, everything is recorded very clearly. There will be no disturbance in the voice also. So I was discussing about the concept of price. So I was telling you that in paper advertisement it is very, very expensive, whereas in digital media it is what? Very cheap and very, very low cost. Okay. And then the final metric which we will like to compare with traditional with digital media is return over investment. Now the end of the day, any company who spends lakhs or crores of rupees in advertising. You know, the end of the day, what they want is, they will say, if I spend 1 lakh rupees in advertising, I should get some business, I should get some output, I should get some profit. But in traditional media, it is not like that. If you pay 27 lakhs for one day, Deccan Chronicle will say, sir, we are only giving you position for one day. If you get business or you don't get business, we don't know that. Okay, we are not worried about it. In TV ad also, it's like that only. But amazing thing about digital media is, if you give me a project and tell that, sir, this is the product I'm selling, I'm ready to invest 25,000. So can you give me some assurance of conversion? So I will tell you like this, sir, with the 25,000 rupees of budget, I can give you 100 leads, meaning 100 calls I will give you, or 100 people will inquire about your product. Now converting is your job. You have to sell the product, is your job. But I will be giving you some genuine leads. That return on investment we can provide in your digital marketing. So if you do the comparison study also, we can see the traditional media is actually not going to be that much valuable compared to your digital media. But remember, as of now, digital media is just growing. Okay, I'll show you one graph also. So it is slowly growing. So in India, it's not at the peak. Okay, it's still growing. But as far the next 5 years are concerned, or 10 years are concerned, digital media will be the most valuable metric and medium of advertising, and also it will overtake the traditional media very soon. The television, the outdoor, everything is going to be overtaken by the digital media itself. So this is a basic comparison study of what is the difference between traditional media and digital media. And also you see, I have given a link at the bottom here, rate card of DC. Now if you want, you can note down a website called as releasemyad.com. There is a website, releasemyad.com. If you go to this website, on every newspaper, on any newspaper in India, you can know what is the price, what is the cost of advertising. I'll show you the example. I was just telling you that concept. So you see, releasemyad.com. This is the website. In this, you can select what company you want. So I want to display one, display ad. So book a display ad. This is the third party ad company. So I want to select a newspaper, Times of India, proceed to book. Okay. So then it says where on the Times of India, these are all the Times of India ads. So I want to say Times of India main page. Then, so where you want, all locations or only one location. So I want to book in Hyderabad only, for example. Just I'm selecting just for view purpose. Okay, let's take Chennai. I'm unable to see Hyderabad here. Yeah, Hyderabad is here. Okay, so let's take only Hyderabad. Perfect. Let's say what are the ad rates. So you want 4x4, 4x6, half page, full page. So I will say full page and front page. Okay. Now actually see, we have to give this information some. Okay, so the one day advertisement on Hyderabad, okay, for Times of India, the cost is 21,42,340 for one single page advertisement. Okay, so this is the cost you have to pay for one day advertisement, but we don't have any guarantee. If you put advertisement, will you get benefit or not? There is no guarantee at all, but this is the amount. Big companies, see, for big companies, branding is important, they can spend. But for small companies, spending 21 lakh rupees for one day, it's almost impossible. So all the small and medium scale industries are now dependent on digital marketing. Even big companies also do digital marketing, but for them digital marketing is very simple. Why? Because it is very low cost and high return over investment. Is it clear? Anyone have any questions? Please ask in any of these metrics or any of the discussion. Please ask any questions. Please be interactive, because if you ask questions and you are interactive, you will learn more. Okay, and if you are silent, you will learn, but you will learn little bit less. Any questions? Please ask. Okay, so I think everyone understood this concept, this topic also very clearly. Fine. So let us go ahead with the next option of discussion. So the next option is, I have collected some basic points of what are the benefits of digital marketing. So this is obviously what we have discussed in the previous session, that is, reaching a lot, reach of large audience. That is fine, because see, the main important thing about digital marketing, I can reach as many audience as possible. In fact, see, we are in Hyderabad, but if you want to reach audience all over India also, we can reach. But what we have to do is, we have to improve our SEO, we have to improve our paid marketing strategies, so we can reach audience all over India. So I can reach a huge amount of audience. Next, I can target the right audience. Yes, you see, if I want to target only users who are in the age group of 20 years to 40 years, I can target only those people. I want to target only students, I can target them if I want. If I want to target only MBA students, even I can target them. Meaning, the benefit of digital marketing is you can choose your audience in a very perfect way, in a very clear way. You don't need to show your ad to unnecessary users. You will show only ad to the necessary users. Then cost effective. Yes, it's very cheap, very simple. You don't need to spend lakhs of rupees. You can do your work in just thousands of rupees also. In some cases, digital marketing is also free. That free option, what is that? I will discuss in the further slide. So we can even start our digital marketing strategy for completely free. And the next option is very high return over investment. Yes, if you invest, say for example, an amount of 5,000 or 10,000 in digital marketing, definitely you will get a very high return on investment. But depending on what is your product, depending on what is your pricing structure, etc., based on that, you will have a very good return over investment. And finally, we can easily scale our business. You in fact remember, you know that Flipkart, they started around 7 years back. At that time, they were only available in Bangalore. Okay, but now if you see, they are all over India and #1 e-commerce website in India. Same thing. Imagine about Amazon. Amazon is right now offering their services all over the world. But how do they expand it so fast? Because of digital media, because of their marketing strategies in the digital media. So if, in fact, I can tell you about us also. If suppose, see, we want to expand to other locations also, it is very easy for us, but we require some good manpower, good trainers. So if we got good manpower and trainers, we can expand anywhere in India. But the thing is, getting the students to, take the course, because everywhere in India, there are a lot of students, lot of entrepreneurs, lot of users who want to learn digital marketing. But because of, they will find some places, they will find some institutes and they will learn. So if I want to expand into different locations, for me, it's very easy. But the important thing is I need some good trainers in different locations, because one trainer cannot teach everywhere. Online is one solution, but the point is we can scale it based on your physical and other factors as well. So this is what the basic reasons why we have to use the digital marketing. This is same like our previous option, where in the last slide I compared the traditional with digital, but in this slide specifically we are understanding what are the benefits of digital marketing. Is it clear? Okay. Anyone got a question? Please ask. Okay. Hope everyone understood it. Now, if someone asks you, like, sir, why should we do digital marketing? Okay, you have to tell them, you have to show them the statistics. Remember, there is a proverb. Okay, if you know Hindi, if the people who know Hindi, the students who know Hindi, for you this is a proverb. I'll also try to translate it into Telugu also, because some users are Telugu. In a Hindi there is a proverb called as, makhi wahin par aati hai jahan par gud hota hai. Like, wherever in Telugu, what we call it as eagle akkade vastayi, bellam ekkada untundo, eagle akkade vastayi. Meaning, the flies will come, or the people will come where there is a sweetness, where there is a better option. In the same way, what is the marketer's strategy? Marketer will think like this: wherever I have my target audience, as a marketer I'm telling you, okay, I will go there only. That is a marketer concept. You see, according to the research, okay, 85% of the people search before they purchase anything, which means being on search engine is important or not important? Because people are searching. So when people are searching, why you don't want to be on the search engine? We have to be on the search engine. If you see, even today's users, today's audience are very intelligent audience. Okay, now why I'm saying the word intelligent audience is, earlier, Apple and this one Samsung, they used to sell mobile phones to you very easily. How easily they used to sell is, they will show one nice attractive ad in the television. you see the ad, you say, okay, 30,000, 40,000. Yeah, okay, no problem. You have the amount. You'll just go to the store and you'll buy the mobile phone. And after buying it, you will feel this is not that good. I would have taken iPhone. That would have been better. But today, you don't need to worry about it. Why? Because in the today's media of digital media, environment, even you may have did lot of times this. When you see the ad, you will not get tempted. You will not get attracted. You will say, okay, mobile phone they have launched. Fine. Now you will come to Google search engine, and now you will type. What you will type now is you will type a keyword like this. You will say Samsung. Okay, S6 images. First you want to know how that looks like in images. So you'll type this keyword. So you get all these pictures. After seeing this, you will type, okay, after this I want to know what are the specifications. Now you will get some website for specifications. After, you will not still stop here. You will now type Samsung X5 versus iPhone 6. Already see a lot of people are searching for that. So you will now do the comparison. After all this, you will now say Samsung S6 reviews, which means you want to know whether people have given a good review for it or bad review. Now we will read some review from TechRadar. Now you will see here what are the reviews about this product. This is some technical review of the product. So is it good or bad and all that. So after reading this, you may take a decision to buy. Okay, now you will not buy. Again, you are very intelligent. What you will do is you will say Samsung S6 prices in India. Now you will get some website like mysmartprice.com. Now you click on it. Now you will do a comparison. See here, eBay is selling it for 46. Other eBay 36.5, 48, 48.7. Okay, see, these are all the prices. Now you will take an intelligent decision. Now what is your intelligent decision is you will find, okay, this is all the prices. Okay, fine. So after all this search, you will now make a decision that I want to buy this product. So imagine if Samsung is not there on online, in the sense Samsung doesn't have presence in online in digital, can they really sell the product? You will say no. Why? Because people are so logical now. They will go to internet and they will do the search. So this is where the first point is 85% people search before they purchase. Okay, it's like there is a ad of ghadi detergent like pehle istemal karo phir vishwas karo. There is a small tagline, right? Same way in digital, what is the concept is pehle research karo uske baad purchase karo. In the sense, don't waste your money on just buying something. Okay, first do research. So this digital marketing will provide you research about the product and research about the specific option. And also the second important information I want to tell you is the search queries. You see, when Google started in 1998, they used to get 10,000 queries per day at that time when Google was in the earlier days. Today Google received almost 600 crore queries per day, meaning in a single day, in a single day, Google receives 600 crore queries, which means 600 crore people are there who search on google.com. So imagine from 10,000 to 6,000 crore. Is it a big number? 600 crore. You will say, yes sir, it's a very big number, which means lot of people are doing the searches, lot of people are actually actively looking for information on search engines. And the next option is about video marketing. See, in a single second, okay, 85,000 approximately, I'm taking 85,000 videos are viewed on YouTube in a single second. Imagine, meaning what? If you have a television advertisement, okay, if you are related to a product, so you can do your advertisement on YouTube because so many customers, so many users are watching YouTube advertisement. So that is one metric. And also 72% people or users are active on social media. Remember, social media plays a very critical role in any company, because if people tell bad about you on social media, immediately your business will fall. And people say good about you on social media, immediately your business will gain. So this is very important that you have to be a strong strategy in social media as well. And finally, 89% of the user purchase based on reviews. This is a survey from US, not from India, but that is really correct, because if suppose your website, your brand has very good reviews, very good options, then automatically you are going to purchase the product and service. So in a nutshell, what is the conclusion of this particular slide is, the slide is like this: if you are in digital, you will survive. If you are not in digital, you will not survive. Why? Because the user has become very intelligent. So user is taking the path like this. First he will do the search, he will come to your website. After that he will go to social media. In social media he will ask a question to his friends. See, I want to join this institute. Is it good or bad? I want to buy this product. Is it good or bad? Now he will get some feedback. Then he will get some reviews. Then he will buy the product. So it is something like this. And digital marketing statistics are very high. So we have to be very, very active on digital to survive in the present industry. And also I have a chart for you to give you where right now India is in the digital marketing world. You see, right now the first major country in digital marketing is China, with almost 64 crore the internet users, okay, which is very, very high. Then US is the second largest country in terms of its volume. They have around 27 crore people online, okay, that is on US. But if you see the market present penetration, meaning how many people use the digital marketing or internet in US, is 86.75 people use in US. Whereas you see India, we are on third largest country in digital. We have 24 crore internet visitors, but market penetration is only 19%, which means we have a very, very, very high potential to actually increase our market share in US in digital. And you see our growth is almost 14%. Okay, 14% is our growth rate, which means year on year basis India is growing at a rate of 14%. And this data was collected from two websites. One is internetlifestats.com and one is wikipedia.org. So what do you know from this data is China is the biggest market for digital marketing, and the second market is US, and the third market is India. But remember, India is growing at a very, very fast rate, and also because of e-commerce, because of so many different types of kinds of website. You see nowadays, we are not using any, if you want to book a cab, okay, we are not going to the going on the road and raising hand and stopping a taxi or a auto. No, we are in the digital world. We are using mobile app. So this app is nothing but a part of digital marketing itself, because everything which is connected to the internet comes under the concept of digital marketing. And this is going to be a very, very big hit, and its next 5 to 10 years will be occupied by digital marketing. And remember, many users will get one concept in mind. See, like this one time software was also in a very high boom, but now software is not in a boom. There are no high jobs in software and all that. But remember, marketing is not like that. Marketing is like if you stop advertising, okay, you will automatically lose your business. So marketing, if once started, you cannot stop marketing. Okay, if you want to invest also, companies has to invest, and they have to keep on rotating the amount. Then only they can survive in advertising. So advertising, you see, even if you take an example, advertising was started when the television was first available. From that day to till day, advertising is there. It's not decreasing. Advertising is increasing. Why? Because there are more channels, there are more televisions all over the world, so advertising will increase. In the same way, when you talk about digital world, when you talk about digital advertising or digital marketing, you don't need to worry, because you may think that, sir, after some years the craze will go or the market will go. No problem at all, because in next 5 to 10 years this craze will actually increase. This market will increase. Okay, I can agree that after 4-5 years the capitalization, meaning many people will be there, manpower will be there, but as of now in India we do not have ample amount of manpower for digital marketing. So that is where we can really able to get this opportunity to learn this subject and get more and more opportunities in the field of digital marketing. Okay, this is the option. Anyone have any question, please ask. Okay, I'm muting the mic. I will have some water. So anyone have any question, please ask. Yes. Yes, please. Any questions? Okay, just a quick question. Yeah. Are you following the subject? Okay. Is it interesting or Not. Just a question, you can respond. Are you following the class? Is it interesting or is it boring? Okay. Okay. I got an answer from Aditi and Yasin. Okay. Indra, you are following the topic? Okay, fine. Great. Swami, you are following the topic? Okay. Right. So again, I'm keeping that option open. So any questions in between you get in, so you can immediately ask the question to me. I'll clarify the question. Okay. So now we will move into, something more specific. Now something, this is all, the industry orientation, which means understanding the industry. We are, till now what we understood is what is the industry of digital marketing, what is what and how it is done and all that. So now we will move into something more specific, something more important for our real time. So this is what actually we are going to study. Okay. So now we are coming into the segment of the discussion about what is digital marketing and how we do digital marketing. So now if you take, digital marketing has various branches. As I told you, digital marketing can be done from SEO, search engines. It can be done from website. There are different divisions. So here the first division of digital marketing is we must have a website. You see, without website, digital marketing doesn't work out because I don't have a presence. I don't have a website. So what I will market? You notice something like this. One person is advertising that, my movie is very good. My movie is very good. But at the end of the day, when you ask, show me the movie. He's saying, I don't have a movie. I have a story. I have a plan. Later I will, release the movie. So people will laugh at him and say, when you don't have a movie, why you are advertising for it? The same way, if you don't have a website, digital marketing doesn't work out for you. Okay, because you first need to have a website. That is either a free website or a paid website. We will discuss about that topic as well in the later stages. So either a free website or either a paid website, we must have a website. Then only the digital marketing will come into play. So the first part of our discussion of digital marketing in our classes will also be about, having a proper website for our business. Then only we can start the concept of digital marketing. Again, we will study about website, that how many types of websites we have, how we create a website. Even practically, we will study about how to create a basic website using one software called as WordPress. We will be discussing about this topic as well when we work in the Google. When we work with the website concept. That is the first topic of our discussion. Then the second topic of discussion is SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. Now what is search engine optimization? This is one strategy by which we can get the business. Now what is SEO is? Now I have some basic points here, so I will just clarify what is SEO. In general, what is SEO is, you see, it's a process to achieve top ranks on organic search results, which means, I'll give you an example. See, we have one client, okay, we have one website for which we are right now achieving top rankings. I'll give you an example. Let us go to google.com or .co.in, okay. Now, if you type a keyword, suppose, see, we have one client, what we are offering the services, birthday party organizers. We have a client who organizes the birthday in Hyderabad, okay. So when I type the keyword, birthday party organizers, meaning any NRI is there, any Indian person is there, any family, and they have a kid's birthday. Generally, nowadays I told you people are doing research from online. So now see, birthday party organizers, you have typed, and most of the people will click on this first website. Am I right? Because that is on the top position. So now that is, this website, Akshara Entertainments, is the website which we have did SEO, and it's low competition, not too high. It's low competition, but still it has taken us 6 months to get on that position. So this particular website is on the top position, which means if you click on it, you will get business. If you click on it, I'll get, my client will get business. But to get it on the top position, we will be doing certain techniques, certain tactics, certain options, which we actually learn in the topic of search engine optimization. But you have to remember here the topic is SEO is completely free of cost, meaning if you click on this website, now you will see that website will come up here. Okay, if you want, you can directly call to this number and you can take the services, or you can access further the website. Whatever you want to do, it is completely free of cost. That is, SEO doesn't cost you money, but it requires you to do some techniques, it requires you to do some concepts. And if you say, okay sir, fine, if I do SEO, how does Google rank my website? Like, what Google will know, what Google will check in my website is, Google will see around 200 plus factors in your website. Now you say, what are those factors? In our SEO, we will study some of those factors, like how does Google rank a website in the search engine. But remember, that is a topic which we have completely separate, which is a search engine optimization strategy. So in a nutshell, and one more problem is there with SEO is, in SEO we cannot give a guarantee. We cannot say that you will get the top position or you will get the second position. We cannot give any guarantee. You get a position, and also it will take some time. It will not be instant. Suppose you created a website today, tomorrow you get the result. No, you have to wait for 2 months, you have to wait for 3 months, you have to wait for 6 months. There will be a time lag for doing the SEO process as well. So this is a basic idea of the SEO. So this is one very popular strategy and one of the most important strategy in our real time. That is, we will use search engine optimization. We will do search engine optimization to bring our website on the top position, to get the users who are related to our topic. But how it is done, what is done, it's a big process will be there. If you want to just know, I can just show you one cycle of SEO so you can understand the basic idea of this SEO cycle. Okay, so let me just give you one basic idea of how this SEO, again, what is involved in SEO, what are the topics of SEO. I can just give you one cycle explanation about what is the process involved in SEO. Okay, so here you see I have got a graphic. Anyway, we'll study about this topic later on. Okay, this is just for your information. So first of all, in SEO you will do site analysis. There is some topic we will discuss later on. Then we will do something called as keyword research. After keyword research, we will do competitor analysis. After that, we will do on-site changes, meaning on-page optimization. After that, we will do link building, and after that we will do reporting. And again, this cycle will keep following. But each of this topic is a very lengthy subject, so we will have to discuss separately about each of this particular concept. But in just a general view, so in SEO, if you want to implement, we will use some tactics, you will use some techniques by which we can able to get the top positions in search engine rankings. Is it clear with this option? Yes. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Any question, like you may ask a question like, sir, if we are doing SEO, other company will also do SEO, then how can we come on the top position? Okay, if you get this question, the answer is for this one is simple. You know, as Google uses 200 plus factors, right? 200 plus factors. So whichever website improves this 200 plus factors, that website will get a better position. If your competitor do it better, he will get on the top position. If you do it better, you will get on the top position. As simple as that. Yes, please ask any questions in the first part of SEO. Okay, no questions. 1 second, I'll just check. Okay, fine. No questions at all? Okay, perfect. So now see, this is the first topic of discussion about SEO. So later see, we have a long discussion. SEO is a very lengthy topic. Okay, it takes somewhere around 20 to 25 hours to cover up this WordPress and SEO and all. That's a very lengthy topic where each of the tactics, each of the concepts will study step by step. That we will discuss as we move on our curriculum. Okay, the second option of our discussion is called as paid marketing. Now you may ask, sir, what is paid marketing? Why should we do paid marketing? Very simple. If you see you are doing SEO, okay, when you are doing SEO, what happens is it will take some time of 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatever it is. So if you tell to your client, sir, you will not get any business for 2 months, the client will say, no, I want some business. So we can tell to our client, sir, okay, what we will do is we will invest some money in Google search engine, we will invest some money in external website, we will invest some money in YouTube and other places, so that by making payment, we can get the ranking. By making payment, we can get the business. That strategy is called as paid marketing. Example, okay, how can I show you the example is, let us go with the keyword laptops. Easy to understand. Okay, so when you type laptop, you see on the top position over here, see I'm highlighting this, I'm just highlighting this option, so you can see over here, this segment we have, see this segment is an advertisement, and this is called as PPC advertisement, pay per click advertisement, PPC. And if you see on the right hand side also, we have some advertisement box, right? But this is actually shop on Google, which means this is what? Google shopping advertisement. So both of this is paid advertising. This one is paid as well as this one is paid advertising. So if you ask me, sir, how we get that advertisement, how we do that advertisement, the simple option is, yes, we will get this advertisement here and here with the help of paid marketing. You may say, sir, why HP shopping and Dell, they are doing advertisement? Because if you just see here, the first SEO position was Snapdeal, second one is Amazon, third one is Flipkart. So because Dell wants to get the business, that's the reason they are actually putting, HP is putting the ad on the top as well as Dell is putting ad on the top. That is, by ad formats they are getting the business. So if you say, sir, is it a good idea, is it a better option? So my answer would be yes, it's not a bad deal, it is a good option to work in the normal requirement. Is it clear? So paid advertising is nothing but we can target our audience on search engines. So whenever they type our target keyword, we will show our advertisement and our user can visit our website and he can buy the product as well. So this particular strategy is called as PPC strategy, which means pay per click advertising. Okay, in other words, if I suppose click on it, okay, so when I click on it, you see the HP website will open now. Yes, so this is the HP website. Now, what is the benefit for Google now is, see, as soon as I open this website, okay, automatically some amount has been deducted from the HP account, which means for every click, the HP is paying to Google. HP is paying to Google, and that is the reason it is called as pay-per-click advertising. This is one strategy we have, which we called as paid marketing using website. Then, after this paid marketing, in paid marketing, we have one more strategy. Assume that I want to show advertisement on external website like way to SMS. Okay, even we can do that. See, on the top, on the right, and at the bottom, you see summer holidays are here, AirAsia, and on the top, rent a house in Hyderabad. That is housing.com. If you ask me, sir, what does this mean? Why these ads are coming? These ads are also nothing but these are digital marketing ads, which we called as display advertising on external website. Same way, we can target mobile apps, we can target YouTube ads, also we can target remarketing. Remarketing means, you may have aware of this, whenever you visit any website and you will leave that website will keep following you. If you go, and you can check also, if you go and check Flipkart and you see 4 or 5 products, after that you leave Flipkart, wherever you go, Flipkart ad will follow you. Now how it will follow you is, there is one advertising tagline of Hutch. What the Hutch will say is, wherever you go, our network will follow you, right? Like the Hutch dog, they will keep following you. Same way, remarketing means, if you visit Flipkart and wherever you go on the internet, Flipkart will keep following you like Hutch dog. It will keep saying that you buy this product, buy this product. That way it will have a remarketing strategy. Understood my point here? So in short, in a nutshell, what is paid marketing is, you can create a strategy for a company where you can able to invest money and you can able to bring business for that particular company. This concept is called as paid marketing strategy. So you say, sir, people use SEO? Yes. As a company, we use SEO. If you ask, sir, do we use paid marketing? Yes. As a company, we also need to use paid marketing strategy to reach our target audience as well. Is it clear? Any questions, please? This is the second part of our discussion, paid marketing strategy. Any questions, please ask. Okay. The next strategy, so I'm going to the next strategy. The next strategy is social media marketing. Now imagine, nowadays social media plays a very important role. You know why it plays an important role is, in fact, see, I'll tell you our own point. Many students are there who join our institute from social media. How? Assume that any one student who joined us, okay, he liked the training, he will complete the course, he got a job, or he's doing some online business, whatever it is. Then he will post something on his page like, I'm very happy, I learned it, web training, something like that. Or he write a review in in our social media page, genuine review he will write. Or sometimes what happens is, when we post something, that person will like and he will comment. So what happens is, when he like or a comment, his friends will know that this person has liked or commented on this website. So maybe that person, this friend will ask him, okay, why you commented on web trainings? What is that? So he will recommend that, yeah, web trainings is one institute, they are offering so and so courses. So what is social media is, we can able to, to get our target audience. We can able to create our brand awareness. We can able to create our fans. We can able to do marketing on various Facebook, social networks like Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, where our goal is to reach our target audience effectively, to get get our message, to see our message. For example, if you see what is really the marketing is, I can give you a direct example. If you go to our Facebook page, you will understand what is social media marketing. Now, if you go with facebook.com/webtrainings, even after the class, you can like our page as well. Okay. So if you see, this is web trainings page on, this Facebook. Now, if you see, these are the number of users who like us. That is 4,447 users have liked us. And if you see, this is the ratings they have given us. Like, we have got 74 ratings on Facebook. And what is the rating we have got? 4.9. And see, this is the data we regularly share. Like, there is one, course, this course data we have shared. This is some nice quotation we shared. Like this, we keep, updating our Facebook page, so that lot of users, lot of students, will keep, updating with us, and they keep sharing our data. Like this, we do the social media marketing strategy. Is it clear? So this is the concept of social media marketing. So just simple option you have to remember is, whenever you are working in a real-time company, then every strategy like social media, branding, everything is going to be a very critical part. You say, sir, how we do marketing on YouTube? Yes, if you check, for example, we have a channel on YouTube, okay? So what we do with this channel is, we'll give free sessions to the user. So anyone who wants to know basic information, he can just come to Web Trainings channel, okay, and he can able to, watch the various videos related to the channel. These are not full videos, okay? They are just basic videos only, okay? So this is the idea, this is the method by which we can able to go reach our target audience, and spread our message and spread our information to the users who are looking for data on the website. So this particular strategy is called as social media marketing strategy. So one is what? SEO strategy. Second is what? Paid marketing strategy. Third one is what? Social media marketing. So in our digital marketing, these are the three major parts of our discussion, which are very crucial. Without these three parts of discussion, you cannot do digital marketing. You have to be good in SEO, you have to be good in social media, and you have to be good in paid marketing strategy as well. Any questions, please ask. I will clarify and I will move into the next topic. Anyone? No questions? See, why I'm asking is, generally, if you ask a question or something, what happens is, other student may have a doubt or the same point in mind, that will get clarified. Okay, if you get a question, you can ask. No question is not a problem at all. Later, when you get a question, we can ask as well. Yeah, I'm getting some question. SEO is an ongoing process, right? Yes, actually, Indra asked one question. The question is, SEO is an ongoing process. Yes, right. So the answer is yes, SEO is an ongoing process. Meaning, SEO is something like, preparing for exams. Assume that you are a student and you want to get first rank always. If you're in first year, if you're in second year, if you're in degree, every year you have to prepare. The same way, SEO is like an ongoing process, which means it will never end. You have to keep updating your website. You have to keep updating your tactics. You have to keep updating your concepts based on what is happening in the Google search engine. So if you keep updating your strategies, then your SEO will be also better on the top. If you say, no sir, I will do only SEO one time and I will leave, when your competitor does better SEO, automatically he will get the better position in the search result. That is what. See, Flipkart and Snapdeal and Amazon are there. They keep fighting with each other every day. Every day there is a fighting, because SEO is something like a battlefield. If Flipkart comes on the top, next time the Snapdeal and Amazon SEO team, they will fight for that keyword and they'll bring on the top. Like this is an ongoing process. Okay, you got the answer, Indra? Okay, we'll be dealing with all search engines. Yes, we will be dealing with all search engines. Remember one thing I'll tell you, one funny thing I will tell you. You know, if you prepare for IIT, I'll give you an example another way. If you prepare for IIT, you know, AIEEE and MSET is peanuts for you. You can easily pass it. Am I right or wrong? If you have idea of, you know, this IIT field, and you'll understand it. So if you prepare for IIT exams, you know, AIEEE and MSET will be damn easy. You know why? Because if you prepare for a tougher exam, the other exams are very easy for you. Yes or no? In the same way, when you prepare for Google search engine, our major topic is Google search engine. When you prepare your website for Google search engine, Yahoo, Bing and any search engine automatically will rank. Automatically they will rank. If you say, okay sir, show me the example, see here. Now I'll give you an example. Let us type in Google, one of our keyword which is right now ranking on the top position, on the first position in fact, first or second I think. Okay, have a look at this keyword, web designing course in Hyderabad. Okay, these are all ads, so forget about the ads. So what is the first website here? Webtrainings.in, that is web designing page of web trainings. Okay, now let us go to bing.com. Type web designing course in Hyderabad. Right? So do you got a point, Indra? See, I have not did any work for you know, Bing. I have not did anything on Bing, but still I am on the top position on Bing also. Why? Because when you do some strategy, remember SEO strategy is a general strategy. When you apply it on Google, you will automatically get the ranking in any other website. That is the concept of your you know, SEO strategy. So we will deal with all search engines. There are some changes also. I will tell you what are the minor changes, but not too much, because I'll tell you one thing, Google is the master and Bing is the copier. Okay, to rank top we have to work with our website frequently. Yes, that we will study. That is called as on-page optimization, content writing and all that. So we will discuss about that strategy also, like how to work with our website, how to update our website frequently, what changes we have to make, that also we'll study. Okay, to rank on the website, we will update the website frequently. The answer is yes, and in our course we will study how to update. Okay, any more questions, anyone? Okay, so this is a point about your social media. Let us move on to the next topic, and then we will go to the one second. Let's go to the next topic of discussion. So the next topic of discussion is email marketing. Remember, email marketing is not too complicated. It's a very easy. What is email marketing is, already you have your customer or your user emails. Okay, what is email marketing is retargeting these users whenever there is a new what we say product, whenever there is a new offer, then you will try to target the audience with the help of email marketing. This is also very old test strategy, but it is very, very important, because you know, with email marketing strategy you can reach your users very effectively. In fact, I'll tell you one example. See, we get suppose we have got 500 inquiries per month. Okay, sometimes what happens in that inquiries is, some students will tell that they want to join the course in the month of June or July, but due to, you know, volume of inquiries, we don't remember each and every student you know, by info. So what we do is, assume that in the month of June or July we are actually, you know, starting a batch. So at that time what we will do is, we'll take all our student emails, their name and their email and their phone number and their course. So then we will go to our email marketing software like MailChimp we are using. So we go to MailChimp and we create one structure with newsletter design and all that, and we will send email to all our existing users. And see, one more option will be there. If you don't want to receive email, you can unsubscribe. But generally most of the students who have filled the form, they want updates. Okay, they want Is there any batch or not? So in that case, the email marketing is helping us directly to reach our potential users who are really interested in our topic or our service. So email marketing we will discuss with a practical scenario. It's a very easy topic. I can tell you, out of all the topics we discuss, email marketing is the easiest one to do because it doesn't have any complex strategies. It's a very simple and easy method of working out. Okay, that is the email marketing strategy. Then we will discuss about the topic of digital analytics. Remember, digital analytics is a very, very important topic. You know, whatever we do on internet, whatever we do on our project, do you want to measure that? Suppose if you give as an advertiser, if you pay, for example, say 1,000 rupees on Google search engine, do you want to know how many visitors we have got? Do you want to know how much value we have got? So digital analytics is nothing but to analyze the data, to analyze the reports, and then take a decision based on your report. That is called as digital analytics. And what is the software we are going to use in digital analytics is Google Analytics. For your information, I'll tell you one report. Just today only we just generated this report. Okay, I can just show you that report just for info. Okay, see here. This is one report which was generated from Google Analytics. Okay, so this is our audience report. This is our data report for Google Analytics. Okay, got a point here? So like this we will get some real reports. It will tell us how many visitors has came, from where they have came to our website, how much time they have spent in our website. You will have so much of data, you will be, when we discuss about analytics, it will be at the end, because after we learn all our digital strategies, then we will learn about digital analytics to understand the metrics, to understand the measure, the data as well. So the software we are going to study in this one will be called as this software. I'm just highlighting this. This is the software we will learn. That is Google Analytics software. Apart from Google Analytics, there are premium level also. But problem with that premium level is those options are not available for normal users. Okay, right. I got a question. Just a second. Okay, Aditya Dubey, there's a question. Question is for that we need to buy any software. Okay, your answer is this one. Google Analytics is a free software. Okay, so in analytics field we have two types of software. One is monthly subscription and one is a free subscription. So Google Analytics, the software which is included in our curriculum, it is free of cost. Whereas if you want to do more advanced analysis, you want to do analysis for a website like Flipkart or Snapdeal or something, they buy premium softwares which we called as one software is there, Adobe Site Catalyst, that is a premium software, Omniture, premium software, Web Trends, premium software. The cost, basic cost will start from $5,000 per month. That is the minimum cost of the software, and it will go higher and higher depending on how big is your project. But basically when we study our subject, we will study about Google Analytics, which is a free software. Is it clear, Aditi? Okay, you got the answer? Right. Okay, fine. So this is the point about digital analytics. So digital analytics will help us to take decision making, to understand what people are really like and what we have to do in our website. Okay, perfect. So this is the option about digital analytics. Next option we have is, okay, now see, I have not have a slide for it, but I will explain you that topic as well. See, this option, website we understood, SEO we understood, paid marketing we understood, social media, digital analytics and email marketing. You see, one topic is there, online reputation management. You see, when you are on online, there will be competitors. Assume that recently you may have heard about, the Snapdeal had got a very big problem, a very big negative message, which was, someone ordered a phone and Snapdeal have sent them, this detergent bars. So one couple come up and they have given this message on social media. On that day it was spread like a fire. And very recently, one controversy started, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, regarding Kalyan Jewelers. Okay, I think you may be aware of that. I'll just type and show you an example. This was a recent controversy. Okay, so now I'll just give you. Okay, you see, this was a picture created by Kalyan Jewelers. Okay, see here, what is this picture is, actually on the back side there is one person sitting, right? So now what someone have given an open letter stating, you know, to the Kalyan Jewelers and Aishwarya Rai is that they said this is a racist ad, okay, and it was, you know, spread like many places on YouTube and everywhere. This particular option was available. You know, this is a very big problem, okay, regarding the branding. You know, why it's negative for branding is if this, you know, if your companies, you know, people will get all this information. What is the problem is there will be a negative for, you know, the company. So that's the reason the Kalyan Jewelers did a very good job. Their PR team did a very good job. When they got a problem, people, you know, taken a negative way. Actually, you know what, I will tell you a point. What was the concept of the designer when they did this ad? You know, my concept is when you wear Kalyan Jewelers you know, jewelry, maybe his concept is he want to tell you that you will look like a princess, or you will look like a, you know, a very good person. Maybe that is the concept. But you know what people have said, they have taken as racist ad, this ad. You know, the thing is in India, what is the problem is, if you don't get any attention, what people will do, they'll create some wrong concept, they'll create some negative publicity, and they'll just you know, get popular as well. So this is a problem actually. So it doesn't so this is a negative you know, ORM. This is a very dangerous thing. So we have to take care of this in online reputation management. Also, you know, there are some companies, for them also reputation management is also very important. Assume that I type a keyword. Suppose I want to know the status of country club you know, reviews, meaning I want to join country club. Is it good or bad? So if I go to this country club review website, okay, now you see, okay, so there is mouthshut.com and there is a visit. Most horrible and pathetic, fooling everyone. Got cheated. Number one, fraud. You see, this is ORM, which means if someone talk bad about your company, if someone talk negative about your company, how do you remove that negative? How do you solve the problem of customers? How do you communicate with the user? That concept we will discuss in the topic of ORM. In other words, ORM is nothing but the integral part of our SEO, our whole, you know, whatever you do, all of this depends on ORM. Imagine, you know, we have a good website, we have a good SEO strategy, we have a good paid strategy, but wantedly your competitor went into one website and written web trainings is very bad, web trainings is not teaching properly, X, Y, Z, lot of stuff. You know, if I am good in ORM, meaning if I manage my brand reputation, I will immediately go to the website and I will address the issue. Like I'll give a response saying that if you are a student of web trainings, please tell your student ID, or please tell the receipt where you have paid the fees. Simple. If you say no, I don't have that, simply public will know this is a fake you know, complaint. Like this, online reputation management is about managing the reputation of a brand so that your negative image, your brand will be always in the positive, it will never go into the negative image. And one more way of doing that is, you know, collecting reviews from your past users, like who have taken your service. You can collect the user information from there, you can ask your feedback, that will provide, like I'll give you an example also at the end of our discussion. You know, I have one slide, like what our students say about us. This is what ORM is about, meaning, you know, we are maintaining the positive reputation of a brand, and how this positive reputation is coming because of our reviews of the student, because I cannot pay money to anyone to write a review, okay? So whoever have taken the course from us, so those students are actually giving us reputation because of this reviews on our Facebook and Google Plus page. So how we do this for the client also, we will discuss with the help of online reputation management strategy. Is it clear with this option, everyone? So these are the topics we are going to discuss and study in our concept. Any question you have, please ask. Then I will you know, discuss one more very important topic, and then I will conclude the session of orientation session. Any questions you have, please ask. Okay, you understood the whole strategy now? Did you got a complete picture of what is digital marketing? So digital marketing is like a big tree, okay? And in this tree we have lot of branches. So each branch, like one is SEO branch, one is PPC branch, one is website branch, one is ORM branch. Like this we have the branches. So when you actually get all these branches, then you become a digital marketing professional. Now the question will come in our mind, sir, what things can I do with digital marketing? Okay, you are teaching the course, I will learn the course, perfect. But sir, what opportunities you can show us, what we can do with this digital marketing? So now, for that I have a slide. See, digital marketing is something which is very amazing. In fact, when I'm from a computer science background. In fact, I have did my engineering from a Hyderabad college, but I can tell you about myself also. See, when I was I written MSET exam as well as AIEEE. I got a very low rank in AIEEE, so I didn't went into the some outside state. So I preferred to do the engineering in Hyderabad only. But there is one college in Hyderabad called as Mufakamja Institute of Engineering and Technology, MJ. Okay, this is one of the topmost college in Hyderabad. Okay, Mufakamja, very topmost. It is in Banjara Hills. Okay, it's a very old college and affiliated to Usmania University. Personally, I got one seat there in civil engineering. I got a seat there in civil engineering, but because my interest was computer science. When I did engineering at that time, computer science and IT was in a huge demand. Okay, so I got a seat in civil engineering, but I actually rejected it. Why I rejected it? I'll tell you a reason. My thinking was like this. At that time when I chosen computer science engineering, one thing in my mind was, with civil engineering, can I do something on my own? Can I do, apart from job, can I do something more innovative, something more as per my requirement and choice? So I thought, okay, civil engineering is okay, but it's, one fixed term. Like I do a job, I do designs, architects. Okay, on the long term, I get a benefit. But, I thought of, okay, I want to go into computer science field, because at that time I was more passionate about, becoming an entrepreneur, or I was more passionate about being a freelancer, meaning working on my own time, being my own boss. That was my more passion. So what is digital marketing will give you is, it can provide you so many opportunities. See, I'm giving job as a last opportunity because job is okay, but the thing is, most of the digital marketers you see in the world now, they do job. That's a common thing. But many people are actually becoming entrepreneurs, which means starting your own business. If you have an idea, okay, digital marketing will help you. In fact, I'm not sure whether I got that student in our class. He actually said he will he will actually join the class, but he's not there. But he's actually an entrepreneur. Like his what is his entrepreneurship is, he's actually selling Ayurvedic products. Okay. So he was actually working for some company. So he thought, I want to start my own business. So now what he did is, he started a website, but then he realized that I have a website, but I'm not getting any sales. So he came to us and he said, sir, I want to learn digital marketing so that I can promote my business. I can get more and more, products, and I can sell the products online to my target audience. So that is one business where we can start your own business and become an entrepreneur as well. Like, one of our student is there. I'll show you a student website. He's actually he's an entrepreneur, and he's taking a very small industry, which is actually ladies clothes industry. And this student is from Hyderabad, and his business is also in Hyderabad only. So this is the website sheerfashions.in, which is about Hyderabadi based clothes. Okay. Small industry, but a targeted niche market, where any Hyderabadi woman, when she sees these dresses, she will be very much interested to buy the products and these dresses. So like this is an entrepreneurship started by one of our student, name is Syed Shah Ali. So this is one idea, like entrepreneurship in the sense, you can able to get one business idea and you can start with that option. It will take time. Okay, immediately you can't become successful, but slowly and steadily you can do into this entrepreneurship business. Next option is freelancing. Now what is freelancing is, when you learn digital marketing, okay, you can take projects from internet. There is some websites. I can show you some websites. A lot of websites are there, but some of the top websites are there, like freelancer.com, odesk.com, where in this website, most of the foreign companies, foreign individual users, they post jobs so that anyone who is interested, for example, I want SEO jobs. So I'll search for SEO jobs. Okay. See here, one company wants keyword research, and I run several SEO projects. Therefore, I'm looking for a keyword researcher to minimize the workload. Please apply with your previous website and work. So what is that? Keyword research. So click on it. He's ready to pay $20. Now you will say, sir, how much time it will take to do keyword research. And he's from Canada, and also he did lot of jobs also he posted, and he spent money. So that means he's genuine poster. So now the genuine job it is. Okay, so $20. Technically speaking, you can complete this job in 1 hour also. 1 hour. That's it. Because keyword research is not a big complex work. It's a very easy work itself. This is one job we can do. Or you say here, link building. That is one job. 5-part series on this. There are a lot of different options we can work with. Are you understanding my point here? You see, if you come into the digital field, you will automatically get these opportunities, as well as if you want to be your own freelance, meaning you don't want projects from Odesk and all that. You can also do local projects also, meaning you have your friend, you have your contacts. So from contacts also, you can able to get the freelancing job as well. See, initially you will earn less, but as you get expertise and experience, you can raise your costs also. Initially you can say $5 per hour, but as you get expertise, you can increase that $5 per hour to $10, $20, $30. But how much experience you got? Based on that you will work. And the third opportunity I will teach you is online earning. That is earn from AdSense. That is one website based earning, advertising earning, and one is called as affiliate marketing, which is about how to make profit from external website by selling their products like Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. They allow affiliate products. So we will study about how to do the affiliate marketing from that particular product. So these are the basic things. And in fact, see, in my most of the online and classroom batches, most of my students are more preferring entrepreneurship or freelancer or online earning, and some students also have a goal of getting a job. But remember, getting a job is a damn easy thing. If you are really having good communication skills, getting a job is very easy, because technically I will give you all the subject knowledge. I will teach you every aspect of digital marketing, so there is no problem about subject. Only thing is, if you get good communication skill, definitely you can get placed in the as a professional. And remember, again, in digital marketing, not one job opportunity. You have separate jobs for SEO, separate jobs for AdWords, that is paid marketing, separate jobs for social media, separate job for digital media, and every big and small company now has opening for digital marketing. So there are many opportunities, and see, as the time progresses, these opportunities will increase. But one time will come where it will get saturated, because if you start early, then it is more better for you. You can able to catch up this industry, and you can able to make profit and revenue, as well as you can get a good job as a freelancer, as a direct advertiser, direct job holder as well. Anyone have any question? Please ask me. I will clarify any of your questions in this slide. Hope you got the idea. This many opportunities are not even available for an engineer. We can spend 4 years doing engineering, okay? But unfortunately, is after 4 years, many users are now even struggling to get a job also. That is the problem. Our education is more like an academic point of view, meaning more theoretical point of view. That's the reason why this type of courses, not even this, any other course which has practical orientation, they will provide you a lot of opportunities. Okay, any question you have, please ask. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, perfect. So this is a basic opportunities we have now. Last option of our discussion, who can do the course, like who are eligible to do the course? Anyone who is looking for a job, you can do this course, because it will help you with job opportunities. If you are a business owner, or you are actually want to start a business, you can do this course, because you can help improving your business. Number 3, if you want to earn money from online, that is from AdSense, from affiliate marketing, you want to do advertising business online, then you can do this course. And if you are an entrepreneur and you want to start something on your own, then you can do this course. Remember, eligibility criteria point of view, there is no specific eligibility. Like, you don't need to be an engineer, you don't need to be an MBA professional to do this course. You should have basic communication skill, and then you are eligible to do this particular course. Okay, one thing is there, in many companies, if you are doing a job, then they will say minimum, graduation is compulsory if you're doing a job in most of the companies. But if you are generally working, on your own as a freelancer, there is no need of any qualification. but generally speaking, it is fit for any user with good communication skill. Then you can be eligible to do this particular course. Okay, and salary point of view and all that, it's sky is the limit, because if you are really a technical person and you have a good communication skill, depending on the companies, you can able to make profit. But fundamental salary, like basic, if you are a basic company also, you can make every month 10,000 rupees from your digital marketing. It's very low, but as you get experience, the sky is the limit, because as you move on with advertising, you move on with affiliate marketing, this and that, there are so many opportunities will come into your way. But one thing is, you have to know what is all these strategies, then you can able to tap into that opportunities as well. So this is the overall course curriculum, overall discussion about our digital marketing orientation session. Hope you enjoyed the session. Hope you understood what are the concepts, what are the strategies, and what are the opportunities you have. If you have got any questions, you can ask and we'll clarify the questions now. Now, does coding or web designing no knowledge as well is required? No problem. See, web designing knowledge, that is coding knowledge is there. One thing, we will study about website, that is called as WordPress. Okay, so if you learn my class in if you study my session in WordPress, it will be enough for you to do websites. But additionally, if you go to W3 schools and if you go to third-party websites and learn some topics of HTML coding, that will be more better for you. It will provide you more better opportunities, because if you know HTML coding and all that, it will be positive in website designing. That is a good, it's recommended but not compulsory. If you know that, it will be better option, but without even knowing that, we can manage it, no problem. Okay, right. Further questions, anyone? Okay, so I'm winding up the session. Anyone have any further questions, you can ask. Okay, so hope everyone understood the session and understood the overall possibility of the digital marketing. Fine. So what I do is, we will require you to send an email actually. Just a second. So I'm just giving you our email address. So what you do is, you can just share. Yeah, exactly. Part-time work is what a freelancing is. I told you freelancing opportunity, right? You see that Odesk, freelance, get a freelancer, etc. All these are used for part-time only. You don't need to do a full-time job. Okay, that is what freelancing means, part-time only. In fact, I started my career as a part-time freelancer only. I was doing my engineering because I was having passion for designing digital marketing. I was in my third year engineering itself. I used to do a part-time job on this freelancing, and I should get a good profit at that time also. That's it's about, if you know the subject, definitely you can do part-time work, freelancing work, and many things. Yes. Any more questions? Please ask. I'm sending my email. Yeah. See here, I have sent you one email. Okay. So that is webtrainings.2009@gmail.com. Please give in your feedback about the demo. Did you like the demo or not? The overall session was good or not? You understood the topic or not? You can just give us one demo. And mostly by Monday, okay, tomorrow is Sunday, so we will not give any contact to, we cannot contact you tomorrow. On Monday, we will give you a call and we will have a further discussion and we'll take your, opinion and feedback. And most probably on Monday, we will give you a confirmation of our batch timing, and when we are going to start the batch, that option we will be giving you on Monday. Okay, so this is our overall session on digital marketing. Hope you have understood the topic. You have understood what is digital marketing. Okay, and even right. It's my pleasure. Okay, thank you. So next session, and even remember, this session is also recorded. Okay, so once whoever actually joining the course, okay, later on our YouTube channel, this particular video will also be available for you to listen. Even after later also you want to study this class, it will be available for later viewing as well. Okay, so please give your feedback on our email, and Monday we will discuss further about we'll have a further discussion to how to go forward with our course option. Okay, right. Thank you very much. See you soon. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thanks very much.